Floating Market Lok Baintan is one of the unique and interesting tourist destinations in South Kalimantan. Located on Tandipa River Road, Lok Baintan Village, Sungai Tabuk District, Banjar Regency. This market offers a different shopping experience from other traditional markets. Visitors can see and experience the buying and selling activities directly on a boat sailing along the river. Floating Market Lok Baintan has existed since the days of the Banjar Kingdom and has become one of the cultural heritages that continues to be preserved to this day. This view certainly provides a special attraction for tourists who want to see local traditions and culture firsthand. Apart from shopping, visitors can also enjoy the beautiful natural scenery along the river. The calm and cool atmosphere in the morning provides a pleasant tourist experience,